my favorite memories of the Good Life Abroad experience is just the vast range of optional things that are provided for you. We have a cooking class, we have walks, we have excursions beyond Paris that are all included. There's a couple of each, and we have this happy hour that's wonderful. Tuesday lunches are great fun because the Good Life Abroad takes us all to a nice restaurant and picks up the tab, and we just have a blast. And they're restaurants that are really good local restaurants. I like the idea of having so much free time, and I love the 30 days. This is a trip that if I see something I really like, a museum I really enjoy, I can go back.
Here, let
And it's giving me the opportunity, traveling with Good Life Abroad, to really research art in Paris and the Impressionists. There's not just the Musée d'Orsay here. There's like 10 different smaller Impressionist museums, more than 10. And I'm hitting them all early in the trip because I know I'll go back to some. And I've never had that opportunity on any travel I've done in my life unless I go back to the place again.